Luxury. Why we love it and why we need it. The psychology behind luxury goods. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. For many people, buying a luxury handbag is not unusual and can be as common as buying a blouse at Target Corporation, TGT. While there's no denying the appeal of luxury items, the leather is soft, the logos are catchy, etc., the high price tag can put you off. Unless the consumer has a good job with a high salary or excellent saving habits, buying luxury items may not be feasible, or they may have a credit card balance that is not easy to pay off. Some consumers behave irrationally. Consumers don't always behave rationally. A perfectly rational person always acts according to reason and logic. In other words, a perfectly rational person always acts in their best interests, including their financial interests. However, numerous studies in modern behavioral psychology have shown that people do not always act rationally. And many consumers who buy luxury goods are not able to afford them. Proof of this can be seen in the high percentage of consumer debt that many Americans have. Depending on how one looks at this phenomenon, it may be evidence that many Americans are not always acting in their own economic interests. A high-quality, durable bag may cost as little as $100, but some people would rather spend thousands of dollars on a luxury brand bag with the same features and relatively the same quality. Are higher-priced items really of higher quality? One reason could be that people tend to emphasize the good aspects of a product and ignore the bad. For example, in the case of Apple Inc., AAPL, consumers wait all night for a new iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer to come out. This is despite the fact that Apple products are not technologically unique or superior. In fact, Samsung makes phones with better features, compared to most iPhones, and Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, and Xiaomi usually release phones at a lower price point. Nevertheless, Apple boasts high brand loyalty and seems to break sales records every year. Non-premium products are sometimes perceived as inferior simply because they are non-premium, not because of their features or quality, leading to the irrational conclusion that more expensive products are of higher quality. In such cases, shoppers may believe, contrary to the evidence available, that they are getting what they pay for, regardless of whether the product is actually better than the more affordable product. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Self-esteem can influence purchases. In some cases, low self-esteem can be a factor in consumers' purchase of luxury goods. This is especially true if they cannot easily afford the expense of purchasing luxury goods. For some consumers, luxury goods can be an effective means of boosting self-esteem and giving them a sense of belonging. With the development of online shopping, a $500 scarf can be purchased in just one click. For some people, luxury items are the ultimate retail therapy. Fortunately for luxury brands, the internet has made impulse buying easy. A sense of achievement is another reason to buy luxury items. They want to reward themselves for their hard work by buying something they normally wouldn't be able to afford. Issues of authenticity. There is a reason why some people turn down fake Rolexes in favor of the real ones, even if they look the same. Even if they look the same, the owner will know that he or she does not own a genuine luxury item. If people buy luxury goods to show them off to others and to feel they belong, why not buy imitations? Researchers at Yale University found that a preference for authenticity originates in early childhood. They found that sentimental attitudes toward the object, such as memories and feelings of buying authentic luxury items, are part of the reason for the desire for authenticity. In other words, for some people, buying fake Christian Louboutin shoes is the same as doing nothing. Conclusion. People buy luxury goods for a variety of reasons, almost all of which involve the strong emotions associated with buying expensive goods. Whether or not the consumer is in a financial position, certain emotions, such as feeling satisfied for their efforts or being recognized by others, can motivate them to make a purchase. Unless you've got a good job with a high salary, or have developed fantastic personal savings habits, buying luxury consumer goods can create an undue financial burden. Many consumers who buy luxury goods are not in a financial position to be able to afford luxury goods. One way to explain this is that many consumers do not act rationally, or in a way that is in their best financial interest. Because some people perceive non-luxury goods as inferior simply by virtue of them being non-luxury, they also come to the conclusion that higher-priced goods are of better quality, contrary to any evidence about their actual level of quality or durability. For some consumers, a luxury good can go a long way in increasing self-esteem or providing a sense of belonging. A sense of accomplishment is another reason why some people buy luxury goods. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.